Guys, stop scrolling. What if your YouTube binge sessions could actually make you smarter? Yep, this tool turns any video you watch into a crystal clear, structured study guide powered by AI. This isn't wishful thinking. This is YouTube to Doc. Let's dive into details. Alright guys, this is how it works. Just drop any YouTube link into the system and watch as the video transforms through a 4-stage AI process into clean, organized notes you can actually use. First up, it doesn't just rip the audio. The multimodal AI understands the video across sound, text, and visuals. It creates a highly accurate transcription, cleans up the grammar, adds proper punctuation, and even separates speakers when needed. The result? Way better than auto captions and way more useful. Next, the AI builds a smart structure for your document. It breaks the content into logical sections, detects shifts in topic, and gives you clear chapters, ready to browse, study, or search. Then comes the real power move, content enrichment. For every section, it delivers plain English summaries, key points, and technical definitions. It can even generate diagrams or bullet outlines for the tricky parts. You decide if you want a quick skim or deep dive. And it's not done. Every part of the final doc links back to the exact moment in the video with precise timestamps. So if something's unclear, just jump right back and rewatch instantly. When it's all done, you can export the notes straight to PDF or Markdown, ready to save, share, or upload wherever you need. So what's the first video you're going to transform? Go from watching to understanding, with YouTube to Doc.